Yeah, this is going to be good because somebody's going to be like, well, he just laid his clothes on the ground like that. But I'm going to show you that Jesus Christ's face is omnipresent. So that'll take quite a bit of time to set up what I'm about to show you. So right here, you can see this space on the floor. I didn't touch it. There's his mouth, his triangular shaped beard with his two eyes and his green nose. And I'll take you over here to my towel, where you see his mouth is this line right here. And his nose is above his mouth. There's his right eye, there's his left eye. And his beard is below his mouth. This is so awesome. I feel so bad for people who have no idea about this. And that's actually the good news. Like Jesus says, and I'll give you something else to focus on while I tell you what I'm about to quote. So his mouth is right there. His nose, you can see his nostril. There's one eye, there's the other. And there's his beard below. So Jesus says in John chapter 6, verse 40, "For it is the will of my Father that anyone who sees the Son and believes in him will have eternal life, and I will raise him up on the last day." So posers have been just cutting out that whole see the Son part. Unless you're going to get a time machine, you have no hope. You know what I'm saying? According to Jesus, because you got to see him and believe him. But everybody in church will just tell you, oh, you just got to believe in Jesus, and that's it. So yeah, my room's a little messy, but I like it that way because I can see God's face and everything better than just like in squares on the floor, right? So I do this on purpose. If you take another look here, you can say, okay, well, this is his eye here, and this is his other eye. He's got a big old green nose and a big smiling face with his triangular beard underneath. Now, if I go change the angle, I haven't even like prepared for this, but okay, so easy because his face is everywhere. There's his mouth right there in that little crack there. His nose is above his mouth. You see two eyes there. You see like his eyebrow there. It's so defined. And then his beard under here. I don't know, another angle. Is that going to help? Let's see here. So, okay, sweet. There's one eye. There's another. This is his nose up in here. And I'd say this white part is his mouth. And this red part is his beard. I could seriously do this all day, like, I don't know, but if I make an hour video, I don't think people will watch it. So, again, you see, here's the point of his nose right there. There's the bridge of his nose. And where's his eyes? Well, right where they should be, right? And then right there is his mouth. And his beard is this part of the shirt here. Beard. There's his mouth right there. So awesome. It's actually heaven on earth. Jesus says that getting to know God is paradise. So this is what you're missing out on. You're missing out on paradise if you don't believe the truth about him. Here he's got like a Popeye smile, like to the side, right? Popeye smile, like to the side. Two eyes. His nose, his beard. Yeah, so here I am showing you that we human beings can see this face that's everywhere. I've been able to see him since I started obeying Jesus Christ. I didn't see him before I started obeying Jesus Christ. There, I probably don't have to show you now, but there's his mouth. Two clear lips, open mouth, pointy nose. Eye, and beard. And the more I look at him, the better I feel. I ever feel down, look at Jesus, just fine. It may take, like, it depends how bad I feel, but it's a guarantee.